Hello everybody, welcome to the Jewelry Spot. I'm Val. I make content on earrings and jewelry making. I do know how to make other things, but my passion is earrings. I love making my earrings. So that's a little brief introduction about me. I am involved in on the 18th of every month, a collab called the Jewelry Making Fun Collab. It is sponsored by Deb Huck and of Dahlia Designs. And I'm going to show you what I came up with for our collab today. I was not able to participate last month on May 18th. I was actually out of the country and had some family things pop up. Apologize for that, but I'm here for my June 18th video. And let me tell you what our collab is all about. So for June, our colors are cream, sand, camel, coffee, dark brown. Oh, my neutral colors. I love those. Okay, we could do pearls, mother of pearl, shell, light wood, picture jasper, tiger eye, coffee stone, which is jasper, brown goldstone, medium brown wood, bronze colored pearls, dark brown bronzite, brown or snowflake, obsidian, dark wood, or bone. Okay, and then the last part of our challenge is, it says, anyone ready for the beach? Yes, well, make your piece beach themed, or if you aren't ready, if you aren't a beach person, but you rather like the creature on card number 459, do a piece in animal print. Okay, so what I've basically done is stuck with the color theme. I don't necessarily have lots of beach things, but I definitely have wood, and I'm definitely in the zone with these colors. So this is what I have first. I actually just made these like 2 days ago. Medium-sized tube earrings, and they have got a brown Picasso bead in between the different shades of wood. So I've got dark wood there, that vanilla color wood, and the medium brown wood. Very, very pretty browns and neutral tones. So those are probably my favorite thing there. Got a bracelet made out of the wood beads. These wood beads come in so many different shapes and sizes. These are the smaller beads. Also a wood bracelet. That one says, love my dog. It's just a charm I had. And then this one has the faux pearls and more wood. This is a wrap bracelet I've got with freshwater pearls. And then have another bracelet I made with 3 larger beads for the focal beads, and then smaller ones. This one I've worn so many times to work. It's just like my go-to. It helps me to spruce up an outfit very quickly. If I'm running behind or something, I just throw on that bracelet. So I got a lot of bracelets this time. And then I did see bronze mentioned as like a color, so I thought I would throw in some simple pieces, just some little bronze hoops. And I've got some bronze colored flower earrings. And so that is what I did for this month. Can't wait to see what the other ladies have. Please watch the other people's videos. I will link them below, everybody that's involved in our challenge. And thank you so much for watching. Till next time.